Boy, this I'm back. It's been like I've been gone for like a whole month from YouTube. Like a whole month, you guys. But I'm back. I have new equipment, as you can tell, or whatever. My babe got me new equipment for Christmas. You'll know who that person is in the near future because we're going to be doing content with each other soon. I will have his Instagram down below if you want to follow him. He don't really post that much, but yeah, I have his Instagram and his Snapchat down below. He caught me off guard with this right here, I tell you. But let me quit talking. We're doing a reaction to Doja Cat Rules, Energy, the Boiler Room. So let's get into it.
It's like the Spice Girls, but it's like 300 of them. Oh my God.
Yeah, I love Doja Cat. She's a bomb ass artist. She kind of reminds me of Missy Elliott, if that makes sense. Especially when it comes to like videos, like the whole clothes, raps. It's crazy, but
I was staring at it. I was like,
she is so good.
Say, play my ass. Say, play my pussy, but don't play my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Play my pussy, but don't play my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Wait some bread up, nigga, that butter my biscuit. You ain't talking money, then really that's none of my business. I don't even need these lenses. 20 on 20 my vision. Value the bitch with an eye on the price, but nigga, I ain't no million. Billions, thousands, billions. Vibes on me like Dylan. Blondes on me like Hilton. Wendy's on me like Williams. Shouting, digging. Look at me like I'm alien. Bitch, I'm fucking reptilian. Bitch, ow. All y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I felt out. You ain't even get out. Bitch, ow. All y'all bitches is precious. Wait, I meant to say jealous. All y'all bitches is jealous. Bitch. Said play my pussy, but don't play my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, nigga, you know I want it. Play my pussy, but don't play my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, nigga, you know I. Nigga, don't do it, you blew you.
Part, like this whole verse right here is like, oh my God.
Tryna cast spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion. Telling me this and that, the third, that shit for the birds I'm ghosting. If it don't dive in the pussy like dolphins, if it don't dive in the pussy like oceans, look out in the color like oceans. Nigga, don't pussy be open, nigga won't spot on the pussy like oceans. Make you horny, baby. That's my ego that you stroking. Nigga, don't laugh cause the pussy ain't joking. Nigga, go splash when the pussy be soaking. Where that nigga who don't play mine? You got a fake gold chain on. Tryna spit game, but I'm on my way out. Where that nigga, man, way out. That play my pussy, don't play my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, nigga, you know I. That play my pussy, don't play my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might. When I shake that ass, let me do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, nigga, you know I.
Doja is like,
You know I want it.
Doja Cat like in the top 5 of like streaming artists. If you want to talk numbers, she's number 3 in the top 5 for streaming on Spotify every month.
I love you so much.
So
And I almost just took a tooth out, bitch.
you can't tell me she ain't grinding, cause she is. That's Doja Cat Rules, the Boiler Room performance. If you like this reaction video, give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Also, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so every time I upload, be notified. You guys, I'm back. Yeah, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media down below on my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Make sure you guys follow my babe too on Instagram and Snapchat. Link be down below. It's New Year, you guys. It's 2020. Let me know all your New Year's resolutions or what you did for New Year's. I'm back, so let's get it.
Come on, baby, let me rock with you. Come on, baby, let me rock with you. Girl, you know I know a thing or two. Come on, baby, let me.